Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install private VPN on your Amazon Firestick device. So this VPN is officially available on Amazon Firestick App Store. If you want to download private VPN on your Amazon Firestick device, you don't need to jailbreak on Firestick. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu and type here private VPN. When you type private VPN, the suggestion below private VPN, so scroll down and click on. And here you will see white color app private VPN, so click on. Now click on download button. So the private VPN has been installed on our Amazon Fire Stick device. Now you open private VPN from here and also from home. So after installing private VPN on our Amazon Fire Stick device, go back to home screen by pressing remote home button. And here again press remote home button for 3 seconds. Now click on apps, it means applications, and here you will find all application that is installed on Firestick device. So if you want to open private VPN, then scroll down and you will find private VPN. So here is the private VPN icon. Now click on. So if you have a private VPN account, then type your email and password and click on login. And you don't have private VPN account, then open browser on your phone or laptop and create private VPN account. So you can use this method to download private VPN on your Amazon Fire Stick device. And I hope this video was really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next on next video. Take care.